Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Blockchair for contract lookups and token explorers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and visit the Blockchair website. Once on the site, navigate to the top menu. Look for the API section and click on it. You will be directed to the API documentation page. Scroll down to find the section on Blockchair API. Take note of the different APIs available for various blockchains. Select the blockchain relevant to your needs, like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Next, locate the contract subsection. Review the documentation there to understand how contract lookups work. Open a new tab to access Postman, a popular API testing tool. In Postman, begin a new request. Set the request type to GET. Return to the Blockchair API documentation. Copy the endpoint URL for contract lookups. Paste this URL into Postman's request bar. If your query requires parameters, refer back to the documentation for details. Enter any necessary parameters for your contract lookup. Click the Send button in Postman to execute your request. Wait for the response to appear in the lower section of the Postman interface. Review the response to ensure your contract lookup was successful. Now, let's explore token-related queries. Return to the Blockchair API documentation. Look for the section on Token Explorers. Identify the appropriate endpoint for querying tokens. Copy this endpoint URL. Return to Postman and create a new request. Set the request type to GET again. Paste the Token Explorer endpoint into Postman's request bar. Add any required parameters for your token query, if necessary. Click the Send button once more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.